Hello, hello, and welcome to day 36 of the Unity Game Development Journal. Well, today is a continuation of the map work where now I'm working on collisions for this large map that's now displayed on different meshes and chunks on the world that we can transition between. Previously, we could just walk wherever. It was just an image, right? Now I'm trying to work out collisions, and I have to stop for the day. It's about midday, and I have to other things I have to do, so I can't continue on. It's Saturday. I got things to do, but I did start the collisions. They are buggy, to say the least. They are not working properly. So you can see I move around. Now I have collisions working, but they aren't lining up with what I did on the map. So there's something wrong there. I did spend some time trying to get a visual layer for the collisions. Like this seems to be working. That, to me, that is where it's supposed to be. Now, this is also where it's supposed to be. Now the problem is the door right here seems to be off. See how it's like not lined up exactly with the graphic there? And also the sign here is a little bit off. Now I'm thinking maybe, now that I'm seeing this, perhaps it's like a rounding issue between the two grid sizes for the collision layer and the map layer. So I'm not 100% sure why. But yeah, so there's some things I have to fix. Essentially though, the collision is sort of working. You can't walk up here with the trees. You can't go over here with this. This is off by maybe half a tile. So that's going to have to be fixed. But yeah, there's collisions working there, and then I can come over here and transition. So that works perfectly fine. Okay. Now let's see if it worked down here. Yeah, so that's the collisions. So eventually these treetops will be over top like on a foreground. But for now that's sort of where they are. That's working there. Collisions working on the hill. They may be a little bit off, but essentially pretty close. That's fairly close there. And this even looks really close. So everything looks good except for like this stairwell you can see is off by probably half a tile. So it seems to be off by half a tile left to right. Yeah, so this, I should be able to move up here. Yeah, so that's off by a little bit. Pretty good first effort. Like this should actually be back here. So I think it's off by half a tile there as well, left to right. I can't figure out if, yeah, well definitely the top, I was just going to say I can't figure out if the top to bottom is off by half a tile. There's no way I should be going down that far. I should be going down about this far maybe before I hit a collider. So there's something fishy there. I think I'm just off by just a little bit, and I gotta figure out where it is. See, this is the hard part of debugging this. Is going to be figuring out how I can get back to normal there. So that works. I can't, okay, I can get through there. That works there as well. For some reason, yeah, off by half a tile. Yeah. I wonder why that is. It could be something to do with my equations. It could be something to do with how it's reading in the tile map. But yeah, this is sort of, I like it. It's fun. Oh, I just walked right through there. I must not have a collision layer on that. Or, there's a bug. So when I transition, it ignores the colliders, which I don't think I want to get into that situation. So what I'm gonna have to do is just modify the map, so it doesn't ever do that. So you hit a collider there, and you have to sort of go back. That makes sense. Cool. So very, very close, but sort of far away as well. Yeah, this should be, I think I'm just off by one. I gotta figure that out. The one that really bugs me is down here. Um, okay, that's off by one. That seems okay. That's off by one. That's off by one. This sign is like way off. Okay, I don't know if I just didn't, I don't know. Yeah, because that sign's way off. Look at it. It's like I can walk right through it. So actually, it's right here. So it does actually look like it's off by one. So yeah, it's all off by one. Got to figure out that bug somewhere. But anyways, that's the end of day 30. What, 6, I think? And there you have it. Collision has started. Tomorrow I'll try and fix this bug. And once that bug is fixed, then I can tighten up collisions a little bit. Once I get the tile map to line up, I can tighten up how the character interacts with the collisions with some just public variables I can sort of change and modify to get it really tight. And then, yeah, I'm ready to move on to some other things. That'll be the map and map collisions done, which is really exciting. So we will talk to you later and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.